Today we are going to cooking tour at Nang Yam Thai Cooking School. Hello everyone, welcome to Andaman Dream. We provide daily tours in Phuket and surrounding islands. In this video I will give you a quick review of one of our tours called Nang Yam Thai Cooking Experience. It's a one-day trip from Phuket to Phang-Nga province where we learn to cook authentic Thai dishes, visit a private viewpoint of Phang-Nga Bay, the Benyaran Museum and local market. And before we start, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to not miss our next videos. Let's get to the trip! You will be picked up from your hotel by our minivan and we will start the journey. Along the way to Phang-Nga, we will pass the Sarasin Bridge connecting the island with the mainland. On arrival to the city, your adventure begins with a morning visit to the Klok Loi Fresh Market. Our guide will show you a picturesque scene of a lively and colorful market with local vendors actively selling fruits and vegetables. The next destination of the trip will be the Benyaran Museum, to which we will come back later in this video. And now let's get to our main program, cooking class. After a couple of minutes drive from the museum, we arrive to Nang Yam Cooking School. The school is run by a local family and has its own organic garden. You will love the green atmosphere surrounding the area. On arrival, you will have a herbal tea break with a traditional Thai dessert, Khanom Klok, and after that you will be given a tour around our organic farm and learn how a Thai family skillfully uses the natural resources to create a sustainable farm. Our cooking class will take place at an open-air cooking pavilion set in the middle of the farm. You will enjoy cooking 5 dishes of different categories of Thai food: appetizer, stir-fried dish, curry, soup and dessert. All dishes include vegan version. We begin with 2 dishes for appetizers. The first are spring rolls. Some introductions and explanations will be given before the lesson starts. Our cooking instructor will turn the original techniques into fun, energetic and approachable cooking lesson. To make the rolls, we fry the ingredients in a pan, then roll it up in a wrapper and fry. The second appetizer is papaya salad called som tam. You can choose between 2 variations, made from green papaya or fruits. One of the most common food in Thailand, this traditional Thai salad combines all 4 tastes: sweet, sour, salty and spicy. To make the salad, we will use a mortar and pestle pounding the right combination of ingredients. After the salads are done, the table is waiting us for our first degustation. A bite of a crispy crust with a tender, flavorful filling of the rolls dipping in a sauce, in combination with a crunchy, spicy salad, will warm up your appetite before we get to the main menu. For the main menu, you will learn to cook the famous Thai food classics, whose exotic flavors make them a must-try dishes in Thailand. We will start with curry. There is 3 types to choose: red curry, green curry and yellow curry. Each one has its own unique flavor and spicy level. Did you try it already? Then what is your favorite one? Or what curry would you choose to cook if you come here? Let me know in comments below. I'm excited to know what is the most delicious for you. The cooking begins with making a curry paste, a fun activity and deeply stimulating experience. The aromas of all spices and herbs are released as they are crushed in the stone mortar. At the end, you will get a smooth paste, which will be the base of your curry. In the next step, we will cook it in coconut milk, which adds a sweet note and creamy texture, gradually adding all ingredients to a pot. The result will be the feast of colors and tastes. Served with rice, this Thai dish will give you an unforgettable gastronomic experience. The next dish you will learn to cook is Tom Yum. This iconic Thai soup is created with typical Thai ingredients that give it its legendary aroma. Another soup to choose is Tom Kha. Made on coconut milk, this mild and creamy soup has perfect balance of all 4 tastes. For the dessert, you will make banana or rice in coconut milk. This classic Thai dessert served at the end of a meal is light, simple and delicious. After you tasted all your dishes, you will have time to relax, enjoy and recharge yourself, lying down on a hammock, taking a deep breath of fresh air. enjoying the beautiful view around. At the Nang Yem brand shop you can buy some local products and souvenirs. At the end of the cooking program you will get a certificate of completion Thai cooking lesson, and we continue our adventure to the Summit Nang Chi viewpoint. The stunning view of Phang-Nga Bay that opens from this private viewpoint became one of the most popular panoramas in Phang-Nga. And due to its spectacular landscape, this national park is definitely worth a visit while traveling in Phuket. About the Benyaran Museum. It is a private history museum full of ancient things owned and collected by Mr. Ronachai Jindapon. In order to show you this collection in a more complete way, I did another video. To watch it, click the link on the end screen or in the description. It's time to go back to the island. This culinary adventure is provided by Andaman Dream along with other activities. Check out our website to book this tour and learn about other destinations that we offer. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. More travel videos are coming. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. See you!